SoClean introduces you to its installation video of permanent antibacterial and virucidal film. To start, be sure to unplug the main terminal. You will need a film in the size of the screen, a scraper, cleaning alcohol, a spray bottle of soap and demineralized water and a wipe. Clean the terminal with alcohol and a soft cloth to remove dust and impurities. Remove the film from its protection by spraying demineralized and soapy water on its adhesive surface. Consider protecting any sensitive areas from moisture before applying the film. Spray with the same solution the touchscreen. Place the film on the screen. Adjust the pose by dragging the film on the screen. Wet the upper part of the film with demineralized and soapy water. Smooth it over with the scraper without too much pressure on the first time to eliminate excess water. The scraper is always used in the same direction. Only use it when the film is wet on both sides. Smooth it over with the scraper a second time with a little bit more pressure to finalize the installation. Dry the edges. Your screen is now protected from bacteria and viruses for several years.